Are you planning a long-distance move? If yes, why don't you plan an eco-friendly long-distance move? Generally, moving is not eco-friendly as moving companies accumulate huge amounts of trash and burn a lot of fuel in driving. If you wish, you can make your move eco-friendly by following a few tips. Let's see how. Number 1. Use the containers you already have. You can use parcel boxes in your house for packing belongings. Other items like plastic containers, plastic bins, suitcases, dresser drawers, and plastic bags can be used instead of moving boxes. Ask movers not to bring any boxes. Number 2. Use household items as packing material. Items like linen, towel, blankets, old sock, old newspaper can be used for wrapping fragile items. They act as a cushion for them. Old rugs can be used for protecting furniture. Number 3. Donate or recycle whatever you don't need. Declutter your house, and ask a junk removal company to take away junk. If you wish, you can organize a yard sale or donate a few items. Number 4. Buy eco-friendly packing supplies. There are several packing supplies available in the market which are biodegradable. Potato or starch-based packing sheets are available easily. Number 5. Hire a green moving company for your move. Look out for green moving companies who ensure less waste and stay friendly with the environment. Most moving companies are offering green moving services for nationwide moving. Vanlines Move can connect you with such movers. Visit our website vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800.